Naghahanap ba kayo ng indoor photo studio na mala Korean ang vibes? Tara, panoorin nyo to at samahan nyo akong mag-photoshoot. So, hi everyone! Pumunta nga kami dito sa Midnight Dream Photo Studio for my birthday and sa halagang 400 pesos, we enjoyed 40 different concept booths for 1 hour. Sobrang aesthetic ng mga booths dito guys and mag-enjoy talaga kayong mag-picture or mag-video sa dami ng pagpipilian na backdrop and floral designs. You can use your own camera pala like DSLR, Digicam, or even your cell phones. Kung wala naman kayong kasama, pwede rin kayong mag-rent ng tripod for only 50 pesos. Guys, nag-o-offer rin sila ng photoshoot package and studio rentals. Pagpasok nyo guys, bibigyan kayo ng card and by the way, free use ang lockers nila dito kaya safe ang gamit nyo. They also have full body mirror and dressing room kung saan pwede kayong mag-retouch and mag-change outfit. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Dito lang yan located sa top of the Glow K Park, Glorieta 1, Makati City. So yun lang, thank you for watching!